Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301533, and this is a 2026 Buick Encore GX Sport Touring. Our color is Ebony Twilight. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features. We got power windows, mirrors, locks, power hatch, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls, electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, USB ports, automatic transmission, parking brake. Got our auto start stop, all-wheel drive, lane keep assist, and traction control. And our interior color is ebony. And moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat with a 60/40 drop, just in case you need some more room. And onto our exterior, we've got our roof rack. 18-inch Buick rims, got a rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301533. You've just checked out this Ebony Twilight 2026 Buick Encore GX ST. Thanks for watching.